class. Topic is multiplication by two-digit numbers. Question is multiply 23 by 25. Now how to do these questions? Today I will teach to you. Okay? As I already told you, we have arranged the numbers in respective columns. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now 23 multiplied by 25. Then we have to multiply at the ones column. Children, listen carefully. We will cover this 2 with the finger. Why would we cover this 2? Because at this time we have to multiply by 5. We will not multiply. We will not multiply any number by 2. Okay? So first we have to multiply 23 by 5. First we have to multiply 23 by 5. Okay? Then first we have to multiply 3 by 5. Now 5 into 3 is 15. This 5 write under ones column and 1 will carry forward to the tens column. Clear? Now we have to go to the tens column. Then 5 into 2 is 10. Here 1 carry. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Write 1 under the tens column and this one under the hundreds column. Okay? So 23 multiplied by 5 is 115. Clear? This is product. This is product of 23 by 5. Okay? Now we have multiplied 23 by 2. Now we have multiplied 23 by 2. Okay? We will not multiply again. Listen carefully. Now we will not multiply again by this 5. Means now we will go to the tens column. That is this 2. Okay? Means now we have to multiply 23 by 2. Okay? Children, we will cut this 5 because I have already multiplied by it. Okay? First we will put 0 or cross below the 5 because we don't have to write any number here. Listen carefully. We will put 0 or cross below the 5 because we don't have to write any number here. Okay? See ones column. Here written 3. Now 2 into 3 is 6. We'll write 6 under the tens column. Okay? Now we will go to tens column. Then here is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 write under the hundreds column. Okay? 460 is product of 23 by 2. Okay? We have to add both these products, means add 115 and 460. Then put the plus sign here. Now add it. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, answer will be 575. Clear, student? Next question is multiply 143 by 49. Children, you have already learnt the multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit numbers. Okay, now we will learn multiply three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Okay, how to do these questions? This question has to be done in the same way. First we have arranged the numbers in the column ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now written here 143 multiplied by 49. Children, we don't have to multiply by this 4. That means we don't have to multiply 143 by 4. We have to multiply 143 by 9. After that, we have to multiply by this 4. Okay? That is, first we have to multiply 143 by 9. So first we have to multiply 3 by 9. Then 9 into 3 is 27. 7 will write under the ones column and 2 will carry to the tens column. Okay. Next we multiply 9 by 4. Okay. 9 into 4 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. Now 8 write under the tens column and 3 will carry to the hundreds column. Okay. Next multiply 9 by 1. Right. Then 9 into 1 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Now we have to add 9 and 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Then 2 will write under the hundreds column and 1 write under the thousands column. Okay. 143 into 9 is 1287. Okay. 1287 is product of 143 into 9. Clear? Now we will multiply 143 by 4. Okay? We will multiply 143 by 4. Okay? And now first we have to put 0 or cross under the 7 because we don't have to write any number here. Then this 9 we have to cut because we have already multiplied by this 9. Right? Okay. Now 4 3s are 12. 2 write under the tens column and 1 carry forward to the tens column. Okay. Now we will go to tens column. Here number is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Then write here 7 and will 1 carry forward to the hundreds column. Okay. Now we will go to the hundreds column. Here is 1. Then 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then this 5 will write under the thousands column. Okay. So 143 multiplied by 4 is 572. 143 multiplied by 4 is 572. This is product of 143 by 4. Clear children? Children, now we have two products. First is 1287 and second is 572. Now we have to add both products. Okay. Then 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 write down. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 plus 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 0 write down. 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So 143 into 49 is 7007. Clear student? Children, now you must have understood. Okay. So children, whatever questions are in your book, practice it at home. Okay. Thank you.